Stop using us the same way! We're different! You're ruining your food!
I'm extra virgin olive oil, and I have a low smoke point. I'm best for dressings and finishing, not high heat cooking. I'm avocado oil, and I can handle high heat. Use me for roasting and searing, and that's where I actually perform best.
And I'm sesame oil. I have a medium smoke point and strong flavor. Use me for stir fries and sauces, not everything. Stop guessing in the kitchen. Save this before you cook again.